Hey there, legend. Yes, you. If you're listening to this right now, something inside you just said, "This is my moment." My name is Mark, and welcome to Speak English in 30 Days, the daily podcast that turns shy beginners into confident English speakers in just 1 month. Every single morning for the next 30 days, I'm going to jump into your headphones for 6 to 10 fun minutes and make you speak real English out loud. No silent listening, no excuses. Just you, me, and your voice getting stronger every day. This isn't school. This isn't boring grammar. This is a daily confidence party where you repeat after me, laugh at your cute mistakes, complete one tiny real-life mission, and suddenly realize, wait, I actually sound good. In 30 days, you'll go from day 1, saying, "Hello, my name is," for the first time, and feeling butterflies, to day 30, recording a full 5-minute speech about your life, your dreams, your family, and listening back thinking, who is this confident person? People exactly like you, students on the bus, moms cooking dinner, drivers in traffic, teenagers hiding in their rooms, have done this challenge while doing normal life and ended up chatting with foreigners like it's nothing. And every single one of them started right here, feeling a little nervous, pressing play on this exact trailer. So let's make this official. Take a deep breath, smile as big as you can, and shout out loud right now. Yes, right now. Do it. I'm ready to speak English in 30 days. One more time, louder, like you mean it. I'm ready to speak English in 30 days. There it is. That's your new voice waking up. Hit subscribe right now, turn on notifications, and get ready, because tomorrow morning, day 1 drops straight into your phone. Tomorrow, you will say your very first perfect English sentences out loud, and you're going to sound amazing. Welcome to the family, superstar. Your English adventure starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go make you unstoppable. See you tomorrow morning. Don't miss it. Your confident English voice is waiting to come out and play. Let's go.